Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, as you can see, the Australian dollar is breaking down further after taking out the support yesterday at 75.40. Now looks towards that trigger level at 75.0515. With any advances on the day, I expect to see a cap coming in at 75.70. Now, a break beneath that level of 75.05 does give further implications to the downside and open a way towards 74.30.40 and reassess from there. With the technicals breaking down also does support this bearish view. The dollar index pretty much remains muted, therefore the euro has actually traded in a consolidating pattern. That being said, I still expect to see weakness towards that 110.70 level and reassess from there. Now do be a little bit cautious in case we get a bounce or rejection from there up towards 111.70 to 112.30. But in case we see the level of 110.70 breaking, then I expect to see further weakness with an objective coming in quite broadly to 107.40.70. The dollar yen still remains unchanged and still holding above the level of 110.80.85. Now in recent views, my outlook has been bullish and I'm still holding to that with the expectations of seeing 111.90 cleared and move towards 112.50 and reassess from there. Any weakness should find demand from 110.80 or firmer beneath at 110.35.45. Well, the pound is pretty much unchanged from the recent 24 hours, and as you can see, the outlook still holds to a bearish picture, and I expect to see the level of 126.30 contested today, and likely to see a further move down eventually towards 125.70 to 125.35. Any advances should expect to see a resistance or a cap coming in now at 126.90 to 05. Well, my view on gold has come through with the bullish implications looking towards the top side target now of 12.56 after taking out 49 resistance overnight. This could extend up towards 60.62 and reassess from there, with any dips on the day should find demand from 46 and beneath firmer at 36 to 37. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market's still confined in a very tight range overnight and capped from that 43.5 to 44.5 resistance. With the downtrend still holding, I'm still concerned that the market may break lower. Now beneath 41.5 does give further exposure and to the broader picture of $35 a barrel and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great start to the weekend.